Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm just doing a quick update on the AcarDash cluster and the AcarDash 8-inch head unit. There's been some reports out there that there's somebody who is the only one that carries the American model. I have always carried the American model of this head unit. So what you could see when you turn the fan on, you'll see that it's all in Fahrenheit. So there was some misconception, I guess, of this only being a foreign model. However, it does all work. So I do carry it now. I do carry the 8 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte model. So my model here does cost a little more than my competitor, as they have half of the memory. Now just keep in mind, when you're running Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you need the extra memory. Otherwise it's going to get bogged down. It's not going to perform well. This also allows you to say you could be running a navigation. You could be watching YouTube. You could do multiple things on here while driving. However, if you get the 4 gigabyte, 64 gigabyte, you're gonna struggle at times. It's gonna not work correctly. An 8 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte is gonna be absolutely flawless. So this is one of the best units on the market, in my opinion. I don't think there really is a better 8-inch or smaller unit like this. And I run the Agama car launcher, which I really like. So there's lots of different options on here and stuff. So I usually run either the speedometer on there or a logo or something of that nature. So and then the cluster here, I think this is completes the look of this car. And what's nice is you customize the colors on this. It has multiple colors, so I have it kind of all blue, and same with the Agama launcher. And so it goes with all your gauges and everything. Everything matches. Then you have now my car is shut off. That's why you see the check engine light and the seat belt. My car is shut off. It is not on right now. So, and of course, everybody, I want to remind everybody the themes. This is the touring mode. Then you have the track mode, which I think is really cool. And then you have the sport mode, which is just simple and everything. And I do like that. Usually when I'm running, I either run the real-time info, or a lot of times I'll do the trip, just so when I'm on the highway, I like to kind of know fuel mileage and stuff. I'll run that most of the time. So, all right, I just wanted to do an update, kind of show everybody the best setup there is for the Gen 5 Camaro. My name's Robin Elliott with Elliott Motorsports, and if you have any questions, shoot me a message, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks so much.